Hello and welcome to our instructional video for October's Adult Take-Home Craft. This is Rosalie and I'm going to walk you through this creative exercise. First, we will have craft kits available while supplies last at the service desk. Grab one and let's get started. Pick an art piece for inspiration. We are providing options in your craft kit, but feel free to explore other artists. Now test the visibility of the art you chose behind your tracing paper. If you can't see the art well enough on a table, you can tape the art and your tracing paper to a window with good lighting. We can see just fine on the table, so we're just going to use some rocks to hold the tracing paper down. Now with a pen or pencil, you can start tracing any lines or shapes that jump out at you. You can take your time here and plan out the type of map you want to make, or you can wing it and decide after tracing. You can make a map of a town, like our example, a city, a country, or even a continent. This is your fantasy location, so have some fun with it. You can add as many details and embellishments as you want. Once you have all the shapes and lines you want marked, go over your work with a marker or Sharpie to make it pop. When you have all your lines and detail finished, you can remove your tracing paper and color in areas with markers or map colors. You can even create a map key at the bottom of your map. Make up a story to help you decide what the symbols and colors mean, or just choose at random. We hope you have fun with this little art project, and we want you to share your maps in the comments. Thank you for watching!